Thanks for joining Ewer and I today for this fitting video. We wanted to show you how to put your 3-section cover on your motorhome. Thanks to Andrew today for the loan of his motorhome. So you will have been freighted interstate 3 parcels normally for a motorhome cover. They're all clearly labelled for you. We've got the front section, we've got the mid section, and we've got the rear section. It's all clearly labelled so that when they come out of the bags, the first section you'll see you and I put on is going to be the mid section. Before your cover sections go down, do consider your driveway, the environment that you've got to lay the cover down on. We do have the soft white Tyvek lining, and it's best if that's not going to pick up any dust or any dirt. So maybe consider a tarp.